The Community Impact Department, we are constantly thinking about the forward trajectory of our community and what people are going to need. Forecasting that, being in tune with what the most prevalent needs are. And I really think about it in a three-prong approach. So at the baseline level, we're investing direct donor dollars right into boots on the ground, grassroots organizations and service providers in our community who are doing the work every day. These are the food pantries, the social service agencies, these are the financial opportunity centers. These are places where people are going to get help, and we're making sure that they have dollars to run their much needed programs. The second tier up from that is really more of this systemic approach. So we're convening different service providers, we're making sure that they're in touch with what they're seeing across their different client bases. We're bringing them together to talk about more efficiencies that they could have in their programs, in their data collection, and really looking at a more comprehensive approach of how we can do this work together across Lucas Wood and Ottawa County. And finally, we take that information, which rolls up to, I think, our policy and advocacy department, to really inform our elected officials and folks in positions of power and policy making to make sure that they know what's happening on the ground in their community. And those three things together, if we do them appropriately and we are really achieving our mission, I think that is what is going to drive the community forward to make sure that everyone in Lucas Wood and Ottawa County have the things that they need to live a happy and healthy life. I love the phrase "Live United." I think, to me, and what I've been thinking about a lot recently too, is that we are all very interconnected. We are dependent upon each other. I think COVID has really highlighted that, wherein we can't stand in the same room without acknowledging that we're inherently interconnected. So to me, knowing that and understanding that, one person's happiness, health, well-being is tied to mine. Understanding that across a community, across a nation, across a globe is something that I think is really embodied in this phrase of Live United. It's something that we try to emulate every day at United Way of Greater Toledo, especially in our Community Impact Department, knowing that the interactions of our donors and the people that we're serving, they're one and the same. Everyone is in this together, and we need to rise together as a community to ensure that everyone's taken care of.